you want a way to make passive income but on your own terms? Girl, let me tell you about affiliate marketing. Hey, what's up? I'm Erica Rasha and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking all about affiliate marketing and helping you get a better understanding of what exactly affiliate marketing is. Because trust me, all your favorite content creators, especially the big ones, they're doing it. Let's get right on into it. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a strategy, and it's a strategy just used by brands and creators. So, brands will pay creators a certain amount. Basically, it's a commission on the sales and things that creators generate to the brand's product. And it's a strategy because creators come up with different strategies to sell those products, and brands use it as a strategy to bring more clientele to their product. So think of it as a profit sharing. So how does it work, right? So you find different affiliate programs that you want to be a part of, and you sign up and you get a shareable link, which is actually trackable. So it's a way that when somebody clicks your unique link, they will track their spend and did they purchase, what did they purchase, how much did they purchase, and it'll be able to give you a certain commission that you agree upon when you sign up for the affiliate program to your account. So for instance, I'm an affiliate of Amazon Influencers program. So if I send out one of my unique links and you buy it, I can get maybe 2% of the sale because Amazon giving me a little bit of profit from making that recommendation. So I win, Amazon wins, you win because you get a good product. Everybody wins. I feel like it's super important to mention that all programs are not created the same. Some programs are pay per click and some programs are paid per sale. So it just depends. You have to make sure that you're reading those fine lines because some people will pay you just for getting people to click and find out about that product or that brand or whatever you're an affiliate of. First, and some people you pay per sale or per lead. Like for instance, if you can help capture the email or something for them. You want to make sure that you're reading the fine print and you're doing your research and things before you just willy-nilly sign up for an affiliate program because you want to make sure that you find the right fit for you. Okay, so now that you know the basics about affiliate marketing, you're like, well, Erica, how do I get started? Let me tell you. Getting started can be as easy or as complicated as you want to be. Erica, I want to get started, but I don't think I'm big enough because you said that all my favorite big creators are doing it. Well, let me be the first to tell you that it's a big myth that you have to be some large creator to make money from affiliate marketing. Anybody can make money from affiliate marketing, no matter your follower account, no matter your size. You just simply have to get started. So how do you get started, you may ask? You just need to find a program that works for you. The easiest way to do this is to first look at yourself and see where are you purchasing from often, what products do you use on a day-to-day basis, what products can you work in and talk about within your content, and boom, there you go. Now you are able to find what programs might be the best for you to apply for affiliate marketing. Now make sure you turn on your post notifications because next week I will be posting a video on the best affiliate marketing programs for small creators. So you want to make sure that you're staying tuned for that. But it's generally really easy to sign up for affiliate marketing programs. All you need is to find the program, have your basic information, have your social media accounts, and it's definitely really helpful if you actually have a website as well. Most sites love that. And you want to make sure that you have some form of payment information ready too because you need somewhere to send this money to, right? Now, let's talk about the good stuff. So you're wondering like, okay, this is all sounding good, but like, what are the real perks of affiliate marketing? Let me tell you. I think the biggest perk of affiliate marketing is it's super low risk, right? So you really shouldn't be paying anything to join any affiliate marketing program. That actually might be a scam. So you don't have to do anything but sign up and it's on you to post. It's something that you can do on your own terms. So if you want to say, I'm going to post about at least one product a week, that is so fine. One product a month, that is so fine. If you say, I'm going to post about something 3 times a day, again, it's on you. You make your own schedule and that'll determine what commission you get from these products. So, which brings me to another perk. It is passive income. It's something that you don't have to do a lot for. You don't have to show up. You don't have to do anything. You just have to post. And sometimes if you just create a shop, it kind of runs itself, especially if your content is good. So it might do something that you spend an hour on doing, like creating an Amazon shop or something, and it just runs itself and it just trickles and trickles and trickles. Another perk is it's something that you're probably doing already, so you might as well get paid for it, right? We all talk about the products that we love. We all have recommendations and we tell the family, friends, our audience, like, oh my God, I just love this shirt right here. You might as well link it, right? Or people always ask you, oh, where did you get this from? Where did you get that from? Send them a link and get paid for it. Get paid for speaking your mind. Get paid paid for your recommendation. You deserve to, boo. I guess my whole thing is like, you're going to anyway, right? Because we hate a gatekeeper. So if somebody asks you, where's that shirt from? Where's that outfit from? Or, I love how you slice your apples. Where's that slicer from? Because I want to do mine like that too. I don't know. But like, you're going to send them the link. You're going to tell them anyway because we hate gatekeepers. We do not gatekeep around here. So you might as well get paid for what you're going to do. Just sign up and try it. And if they don't buy anything or it's not as much money as you was hoping, I mean, you're not losing anything. And I think that that's the biggest perk. I think that brings up another perk is that it may seem really small, like, oh, I'm only making 2% or 3%. However, over time, that can add up. And the more and more people, you might recommend it to your friend and then she'll recommend it to hers and she's sharing your link. So the more and more people that get involved, the more and more you do, the easier this becomes. Being an affiliate is just super scalable. You can do as much or as little as you want. You can post how much or as little as you want. You can join multiple programs. You can only join one program. It's on your terms. It's one of those revenue streams that is strictly on your terms, and you determine how much effort and how much time you want to give. And I think that that's the biggest perk of them all. So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. If you got anything from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you like this video, then I definitely know that you need to go on and head over to this video right here, all about how to be that girl on Instagram. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.